Solve the equation log base 3 of x minus 8 equals 3 for x. Now, whenever I'm solving and I have x inside of a log or an ln, I want to write it out into its other form, but I'm going to be a little clever, be a little creative here. Okay, I'm just going to rewrite the equation. I want to get rid of that log base 3. How can I get rid of a log base 3? By taking 3 to the of both sides. Now, I know that's bad grammar, but that's how I remember it. Take 3 to the of both sides, and that allows these guys to cancel out, and you could drop down an x minus 8. 3 to the third is 27. Add 8 to both sides. Add 8 to both sides. X is going to equal 35. Now, before you just circle it and call it a day, make sure always, if you're solving a log, you're allowed to plug that number in. In other words, if I were to go up here and plug this number in and get log of a 0 or log of a negative, you can't do it. But I'm allowed to do this because log of 35 minus 8 is log of a positive number. This is allowed. That is our guy. Did I need you, Mr. Calculator? No, get out of here.